Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apsarah from Zero Everett Beauty. So today I'm back with you with another haul. I'm excited to show you guys a lot of the stuff is gonna be more like body care. I'm trying to kind of organize everything so it just kind of goes in order. But these are items that I received from PR and I hope you guys enjoy them. So I wanted to share with you guys the Cetaphil. This is what I got, the Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion with Hyaluronic Acid. I've been having really dry skin lately, especially now. So this one is for the face. I think this is a Canadian brand. If you have sensitive skin or if you break out a lot, this one doesn't have a lot of chemicals and it won't clog your pores as well. So I'm excited to try this one out. This one doesn't have any SPF. So I really like moisturizers at night that don't have an SPF. And the ones with SPF, I like to save it for the daytime. The La Roche-Posay, this is their, I can't really pronounce a lot of French words. I don't speak a lot of French. My dad does. Tolerine Double Repair Moisturizer. And this one is another really hydrating one. I'll show you what the product looks like, but it's really creamy. Again, this one doesn't have a lot of chemicals, so if you have sensitive skin, this is super hydrating, and as you can see, it doesn't give it like a white cast. It's not really thick at all, so very hydrating, and it penetrates deep into the skin quick. Aveeno Eczema Therapy Moisturizing Cream. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. My family, we tend to have a lot of allergies and we have really sensitive skin. We break out into hives. I think it's just like a hereditary thing. My dad broke out into hives when he came to the US. So this is great if you have like eczema, and I think we have really dry skin. So Aveeno is known for that. It has a little bit of an oatmeal. So oatmeal actually helps soothe inflammation and redness. So this is a great alternative if you're looking for something different. The Eucerin, this is their Daily Hydration Moisturizer and Sunscreen with SPF 15. This is their Daily Hydration Body Moisturizer. I've been obsessing with products that have an SPF because when you think about it, we are exposed to the sun at all times, whether we're in our car. So that's gonna help with premature aging. So I'm so excited to try the Eucerin, and I love like the big size. You could just throw this in the bathroom and use it right when you get out of the shower. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This one is, I think their Soothing Oatmeal Scent. Another great alternative if you have sensitive or very dry eczema skin. This is another really good one that you could throw in the bathroom. A naked man just ran across the hallway. And this is the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Sports Spray. This is SPF 40. This is another brand that I saw when I used to work at a spa here in SoCal. They had this brand, so if you like more natural, organic, more higher end, this is a really good sunscreen, and it's a mineral, so this one has a higher SPF. The Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen, this one has a SPF of 55, and again, we are in summer. Getting out all my sunscreen and using it, utilizing it, it's really important to protect our skin. The Skin Fix, this is the daily lotion for dry skin. It has lightweight hydration with cucumber, sunflower, jojoba, and grape seed oils, and it's paraben free. My dad actually really enjoys this. So if you have really dry skin, my dad already went through like 10 bottles of these. I will probably give this to him because he has really bad skin. Yeah, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing. This is their sheer hydration. So this one is again with the oatmeal. If you love Aveeno, if you're a really good fan of it, this is a great alternative. I also heard that like even their scented ones, they're just as gentle as the fragrance-free ones too. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This is a regenerating cream, and this one has retinol. So you will see results within a week with their facial cream. This one is great for nighttime. The Olay Regenerous Luminous Facial Oil. Oh my god, you guys, I've been going through these, like I think I've gone through maybe at least 6 of these, but I'm obsessed with facial oil. This is great after your moisturizer. Your skin will look way brighter, way glowier, way smoother, softer. Love it. But this is what it looks like. I recommend if you get an oil, try to get the droplet kinds, like kind of like these. It's just easier to dispense. and apply on. The La Roche-Posay, this is their Pigment Car Serum. This is a dark spot corrector. This one's a little bit pricey. I would say it's about $40 to $50. They are known for their skincare. So if you have acne, if you have dark spots, this is a really good brand for that. And I heard really good reviews and feedback on this product. I've been breaking out and I've been getting a lot of discoloration and unevenness. I will definitely be trying this out. So the Rock, this is the Rock Eye Cream. You guys, I have been obsessing with using eye creams lately. It's so important to hydrate and protect your eye area because we have skin around our eyes too. I've been using and incorporating an eye cream in my regimen. I also have the Michael Kors. This is the Rose Radiant Gold. This smells so good. I'm gonna try a little bit for you guys. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I feel like every time I use a perfume or a fragrance, it just kind of lifts up my mood and it just gets me started in the day, like a good start to my day. So love perfume. This is the e.l.f. This is their Aqua Beauty Aqua Primer Mist. I actually tried this in store. This is great setting your makeup or even hydrating it before you apply your skincare regimen. So the Botanics Facial Oil SP, this one is their 100%, this is the Botanics Facial Oil 100% organic. This is their Nourishing Rose Hip. And I heard rose hip is really, really good for you. I'm excited to try this one out too. You can't have enough of facial oils, you guys, or serums. The Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, normal to dry skin. It hydrates your skin for 24 hours. And this is what the product looks like. This is what the jar looks like. It's so, so pretty. And the cream. You guys, I'm obsessed with Korean barbecue. I just had Korean barbecue yesterday. I'm obsessed with Korean beauty. Another one, they are in Sephora. Vichy, this is their Aqua Thermal Cream Face Cream, or their rich face cream. This is by a French brand. They're known for being the #1 anti-aging brand in Europe. So this one's one of my other favorites. It kind of reminds me of like the higher end of like the Neutrogena, but obviously this is a little bit more higher end. The #7, this is the Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi Serum. Lately, I've been using not only my moisturizer on my face, but I've also used it on my neck. I feel like, you know, it's always to protect. This is where you age quickly, so your hands and also your neck. So it's always important to take care of your neck area and your décolleté. So this is something that they came out with, the new #7. Color Crave from Clairol. These are all of their colors. Yay! So this one is the Brilliance Ruby, Shimmering Rose Gold, and the Brilliance Amethyst. We also have the Shimmering Platinum and the Shimmery Bronze. I'm excited to really try out, like, these are these are they wash out. They actually wash out, and they are meant for dark hair. So us dark ladies, we don't have to have blonde hair to color our hair. So these are really neat. These are semi-permanent. So you can, I think after 8 washes or so, or after you wash it. So these are really fun to try out. Vichy, this one is their Idealia Life Serum. I've actually tried it. It has more of a pearlescent lotion kind of feel. So this is what the jar looks like. It's like more of a pearlescent kind of looking lotion, but that's a serum. We also have the MD Complete Dr. Brian Zelkinson Anti-Wrinkle Eye Wrinkle Corrector. Another eye cream that's really, really good. I heard from one of the ladies, she said that this is like a dupe or a knockoff to one of the really expensive brands in Beverly Hills. Honest Beauty by Jessica Alba. This is their Elevated Hydration Replenishing Mist. And you guys know I'm a big fan of Jessica Alba's line. It's all natural and organic, so I'm gonna spray this. Oh, you guys, I feel like I'm in a spa with this. This one, she uses chamomile, calendula, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid. So you can use this before or after your makeup. You can also use it throughout the day, but I will be putting this in my gym bag. I know it's like a little bougie, but just to freshen throughout the day. I'll put it in my purse. I'm obsessed with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, and this is another great serum. I use their, I think it's called their jar one and their SPF one. So this is the serum. I have not tried it and I'm excited. The Pixie, okay, I love this. The Pixie Rose Oil Blend. This one has rose and pomegranate. My sister, I actually gifted this to my sister, so I have one of my own and she loves it. As you know, I am the oil girl and I'm obsessed with oil. The Emberlies, this is eye cream. This is really cooling. I've actually tried this, so this one's a really cute. Like travel size, so I'll put it like underneath my eyes and it really helps cool and depuff like puffy eyes. Last but not least, we have the Destinage Paris. This is their Salon Color Restore Color Protect System. This one has vitamin E and UV filter. This is what the jar looks like. It's kind of like a medium size, kind of cute jar. Really important to hydrate your hair. I actually just came back from Stagecoach and Coachella in Palm Springs and it was really, really dry out there. Like literally I wasn't really directly underneath the sun. I was actually under a tent. Like it really, really dried up my hair. And like my hair is pretty thin, so when I use like a leave-in conditioner, I'm supposed to really wash it off. But with like when I left the conditioner in, like it really, really like quenched up like all of the moisture because it was so dry. It really needed a lot of moisture. So this is gonna help with just dehydrated hair. Just a great coat just to help protect the color and also make your strands look a little bit more healthier. That pretty much sums up my entire haul. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please don't forget to like these videos if you like to see what's coming up new in the stores. Don't forget to subscribe to Zero Effort Beauty for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.